Are you looking to a good smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started our video, we have included link in the description. So click the link, if you would like to buy this phone. The Realme 11 series is set to debut on May 10th in China. The company has confirmed the launch but did not reveal the number of devices it will unveil at the May 10th event in China. We can expect multiple phones to be unveiled under the Realme 11 series. There will be the top-of-the-line Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G, sitting above the 11 Pro and 11 5G. Realme has now dropped a new teaser, which confirms the key details about the top-end number series phone. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G design has been officially revealed. The company also confirmed some key details about the phone's camera unit on the back. Based on the teased details, it is safe to say that the 11 Pro Plus 5G will get some key camera upgrades, at least on paper. Let's take a look at the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G design, specifications and other details teased ahead of the launch. Realme has confirmed some key specifications and revealed the design of the 11 Pro Plus 5G ahead of its launch on May 10th in China. The device is expected to launch in India later this year. According to the new teaser, the 11 Pro Plus 5G has a massive circular camera module on the back. The dual-tone camera module has shades of gold and black. There is also an LED flash at the top of the module. At the bottom of the camera module is the text that confirms the 200MP primary camera. Details about the two other camera sensors are unknown. It is speculated that the device will feature an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP macro sensor. Realme has partnered with Matteo Minato, a former Gucci printing designer, for the 11 Pro Plus 5G. The device has a curved rear end frame. It has a beige faux leather back panel, which is called Sunrise City. The rear panel has a vertical stripe running through the center with gold and silver stitching. The frame, too, is gold in color. We can see the power and volume buttons on the right edge of the phone. The SIM tray, USB Type-C port and speaker grill are at the bottom edge. A teaser video also confirms that the phone has a curved display on the front. There is a hole punch cut out at the top center for the front camera. Realme did not reveal the display size or any features. However, considering the launch is less than a couple of weeks away, we can expect more teasers to drop soon. The rumor mill, meanwhile, has been working hard to churn out some key details about the upcoming Realme smartphone. The device is tipped to feature an upcoming MediaTek Dimensity 7000 series SoC with a peak clock speed of 2.6 GHz. There will be up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB of storage. The 11 Pro Plus was spotted on 3C alongside the 11 Pro on 3C. The 11 Pro Plus will feature 100W charging, whereas the 11 Pro will get 67W fast charging support. Both devices are likely to sport a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with curved edges, according to some leaked TENAA images. There will be support for up to 120Hz refresh rate on the 11 Pro Plus 5G. It will also feature an in-display fingerprint scanner.